Good afternoon, dear subscribers. I am Dawood Akobirov, the correspondent of JOM. And today we are in Focaccia Grill restaurant in Hyatt Regency, and we will be talking about with the chief of this restaurant, Mr. Alexander, about some kind of New Year meals that he will be recommending you how to prepare the easiest and the cheapest like New Year meal during the celebration. Okay, before starting, we want you just a bit introduce yourself to our subscribers, and where did you come from? How did you started working in this place, and how did you like it?
My name is Alexander, as we spoke about. I actually I've only been here 4 months. 4 months. It's only a short time been in Tajikistan, and this is only first time with Hyatt. So I worked with numerous countries all over the world. Average about 10 countries I've worked already. So I've travelled a lot. I've been very fortunate to travel a lot. And yes, I'm originally from the UK, Scotland. Originally from Scotland. So yes, that's it really. I'm here and I've been here a short time and excited to be here.
You said that you came from UK and worked in more than 10 countries, yeah?
Around about 10 countries. I didn't count. I've lost count.
What were the differences between these countries?
Culture, of course.
Just the culture?
I worked in the Middle East. So I worked in different parts of the Middle East, and I worked in Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, China. So I worked in countries. So a lot it's the cuisine and the culture, I would say. Cuisine because I'm a chef, so I take great interest in learning about the different cuisines and culture, and then obviously just the different cultures, you know, which has been fabulous for me. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful. I really enjoyed it. You know?
Yeah, thank you. And what kind of foods do you actually prepare?
Well, I've got good knowledge. I've got good knowledge of all different kinds of foods because I worked in different parts of the world. You know, so obviously my strength will be Western food. Because I was trained in French cuisine when I started very young, and Western food in general. So Western food will be my strength, but also I have knowledge of Middle East, Arabic, and Asian because I worked in different parts of Asia and different parts of the Middle East. So,
what do you often prepare for New Year meal?
We prepare when we do New Year. There's a quite an expensive one we do. As in cost, it's called beef Wellington.
Beef Wellington.
And I'll try and explain it the best I can to you. It's beef tenderloin, which you know. Whole beef tenderloin wrapped in puff pastry. Okay, and baked in the oven, roasted like baked. Well, baked more like baked in the oven. And in the beef tenderloin we have mushrooms, and we have other bits and pieces in it as well. Mustard in many cases. We have that, and that's beef Wellington. It's called puff pastry. So it's like I wouldn't call it a pie, but it's got the same similarities to a pie in the sense it's meat and it's puff pastry.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost? I don't know. I don't buy it. I make it. I make it from
you sell it here, yeah?
No, sorry, no. We don't sell it here. I'm just telling you from my culture what we would make.
And what do you prepare here in this restaurant?
This restaurant for New Year, we're only at the moment we're only doing a small set menu. We are doing. I just had the menu today. I had a look at the menus today. We've done a 4-course set menu. The 4-course menu consists of a starter, which will be a ravioli pasta. We make our own raviolis. Soup would be pumpkin soup with prawns. Our main course is local. Fillet of what do you call it? I forgot the name. Trout, sorry. Fillet of trout we're making is a main course, and then the dessert is a British dessert called sticky toffee pudding.
What's
sticky toffee pudding? It's a sponge-like pudding that we warm through, and it's served with ice cream and toffee sauce. It's very rich, very indulgent. It's absolutely fabulous, but it makes you very full.
Which of these meals is the easiest and
the easiest? The ravioli is quite complicated because you need to learn how to make pasta, because we make pasta and then actually make the ravioli. So it can be, you need a little bit of practice. The easiest one, the trout, is very easy to cook. The sticky toffee pudding again is a little work, but it's not difficult. But the soup's obviously the easiest. The pumpkin soup, you know, we make a
pumpkin soup.
Pumpkin soup is we make a pumpkin soup. We do a pumpkin soup with fresh pumpkin. Here we have some really nice pumpkins, fresh. Lovely colour, lovely bright orange, vibrant colour, the pumpkins here. So we have base of the soup would be like onions, and garlic and celery. That would be the main players in it. We use good vegetable stock as well. It's very important that your stock, your base is very good. And pumpkin of course as well. But you can add other things to it as well, but that's our base, onions, garlic, good celery,
that-
and that's that. So.
Thank you. And do you prepare any kind of Tajik food here in this restaurant?
We do, for Tajik,
Yeah.
we prepare, not so much in our a la carte menu, we have a little bit mostly for the banquet. But the Tajik, yes, from time to time we do make plov, of course, we need to make plov. We do a lot of samosik, a lot of mini samosik, meat, pumpkin, we do a lot of them. Shazlik, of course, we do chicken, we do beef, we do lamb, we do shazlik, but we do lule, you know, the minced one as well. We do little variants of different shit.
And it will be interesting for our subscribers that how did you learn preparing plov?
I don't prepare plov. I get my Tajik.
Your Tajik assistants?
Of course, I have many. Get many. All my whole brigade, whole team is all Tajik.
And-
So they prepare the plov. They
And
prepare
what
the
do you
plov.
think? Is there any common thing between the meals you prepare and with the Tajik food?
I've always asked my team, what is like the number one food in Tajikistan? They'll see meat, huh? Meat. You know, that's your protein, huh?
Yeah.
But obviously, my culture would be more potatoes. So we're different, you understand? We're different culture.
Yeah,
Every
sure.
culture's different. If I talk about Malaysia, for example, it would be rice. Indonesia would be rice.
Yeah.
You know, different countries, different variants of their stable diet. So, no, there's not a lot. I wouldn't say, because you've got obviously plov is your national dish, correct? It's
sure.
your national dish.
Yeah.
That's rice. Rice for us, we do eat rice. Example in the UK, but not to the
That's
to the
different.
extent, of course, not to the extent that you would eat, the locals would eat, and it's different. You know, we do a lot of fried rice, very important, like Indonesia, Malaysia's
Yeah.
got fried rice. The British like that sort of thing. Plov I've never seen in the UK. I'm sure you can get it, but I've never seen it. But no, it's very different in the sense of what we eat compared to what you eat. But plov is fantastic. I've had lamb plov, I've had chicken plov as well. I thought it was really, really nice. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
There's some really nice restaurants here in Dushanbe that I've tried the plov and it's been fabulous. I like spicy as well. So in plov, sometimes you get this tomato spice sauce
Yeah.
that you can, oh wow, that was fantastic. So I had that. So it was very nice. Very nice.
Yeah,
I love
sure.
plov.